Hello gang, pull out your big blue book and get ready to do the square root function. I think that it's on page 8. I've lost track based on which particular version of the book you have. I have two different versions, but I think we're talking about page 8 here. Square root function, the parent is y equals the square root of x, and we will work with that. The domain, as you see, the square root starts at 0 and goes on to the right. That's because you can't take the square root of a negative number. So the domain is x has to be bigger than or equal to 0. If you're in interval notation, that's 0 up to infinity. The range is similarly y has to be bigger than or equal to 0, also 0 to infinity. The only intercept is 0, 0, where it hits the x-axis. Your key points identified on the graph here. 0, 0, 1, 1. Let me do it as a table, that'll be nice. X and y. 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, which is the inverse of the point 2, 4 on x squared, and 9, 3. These are all numbers that have nice square roots, 0, 1, 4, 9, etc. And it does not have symmetry. So there we go. We've got this good stuff here. How about continuity? Can you draw it without lifting up your pencil? The answer is yes, you can, as long as you start at 0. So it's yes, it's continuous on its entire domain, 0 to infinity. The end behavior, at this end, we're going toward, it's hard to see that, we're going toward, sorry about that, going toward infinity and infinity. However, the x-coordinate grows a lot faster than the y-coordinate does, but as x approaches infinity, y approaches infinity. On the left-hand side, it's going to here. It doesn't go to negative infinity. X approaches 0, and it only approaches from the right. Y approaches 0 also. And it also is approaching it from the positive side, so it's approaching it from above. As x approaches 0 from the right, y approaches 0 from above, from the positive side in both cases. Max min has an absolute minimum at 0, 0. It never goes below that. It is increasing everywhere. And alternative forms, this is the same as x equals y squared when y is bigger than 0, bigger than or equal to 0, that's all right. And applications, you use a square root to solve squares, to solve quadratics, anything that's quadratic. And those especially include gravity and acceleration, and also volume. Sorry, area. Volume, I'm thinking ahead already to the cube. Area. Gravity, acceleration, and area are situations that lead you to quadratic equations, which you then solve with a square root. So there's your big blue book for the square root. Hope that you have a good day.